What you have accepted in imagination must now take form in you. The word, heard, is only shadow. It lives when made flesh in you. The law is not outside. It is your own being assuming, creating. Man divides cause and effect, not knowing he himself is both. So cease to study the law and stand as the law itself. You are the source from which the world flows, and it moves only when you command it so. Close your eyes. Let a single memory return, a moment that still seems to hold you. You remember the table, the worry over what was left, the feeling that life had closed its hand. You thought you were trapped in circumstance, but you were only dwelling in your own creation without knowing. You looked to the world for proof, and the world answered your doubt. It could not do otherwise, for the outer always follows the inner state. Now, step back into that same memory. Nothing outside has changed, yet you are no longer the one who paired it. You are the one who made it. You don't ask, you decide. You don't wait, you know. And as that knowing settles, the scene begins to change. The noise of lack grows quiet. The room feels lighter. The pressure lifts. You can almost sense the world turning toward you. It must. For the law moves by assumption, not appearance. Think now of the day that felt like failure. The missed call, the unopened letter, the door that would not open. You told yourself it wasn't meant to be. But it was always meant to be the moment you accepted it as yours. See it now, the same door, the same moment, but this time you enter it as the cause, not the effect. The letter opens. The tone changes. What was withheld returns. You have not erased the past. You have claimed your place above it. The law answers you now, as it always wished you, without resistance. And when you wake tomorrow, you will notice the difference. It will come in ways the world calls coincidence, but you will know the bridge has already been laid. And even if you do not feel it yet, the unseen has already responded. For the instant you saw it differently, the law fulfilled it. So return to it each night until the new memory feels natural. For what you persist in revising, life must repeat in perfection. Now step back. All that you see are only shadows of an old belief. It is not the one who suffered that sees them, but the one who imagined both the wound and the healing. You are not in the picture. The picture is in you. Now let every scene fade from sight. Faces vanish. Songs fall away. The image is no more. Only awareness remains. Aware of being complete. The work is finished. This is the law of resurrection. You did not repair the past. You redeemed it. What you once called broken now stands perfected. And in perfecting it, you are set free. When you open your eyes, nothing appears different. The room is the same, the world unchanged. Yet beneath the surface, the root has shifted. The unseen cause has taken new direction. That is how you know the law has moved. The cause has changed its course. You are no longer within time. Time is within you, and it obeys your new command.